Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can sign into the PC. If prompts appear, use an administrator account. Once signed in, open the system tools immediately. On Windows, press the Windows key +I or open Start and type About. For Mac OS, click the Apple menu and choose About this Mac. On Linux, launch Terminal now. This gets you to the interfaces that report versions. Make sure to move to the correct tool for your operating system before checking deeper details. You next gather the specific version identifiers so support or updates match exactly. On Windows, open Settings right arrow System right arrow About and read Edition, Version, and OS build. Alternatively, run WinVer. exe or msinfo32 for detailed fields. On Linux, run uname and lsb release to capture kernel and distribution versions. On Mac OS, confirm the Mac OS name and version in About this Mac and click System report for build numbers. Once done, jot down the exact strings. They matter for patches and drivers. To finish, you should record the version text, OS build, and CPU architecture. For example, x86-64 or ARM, because installers differ by those details. Make screenshots or copy and paste the command output into a note so you can share it with IT or support. If the system hides details, make sure you have admin or root privileges, otherwise run the commands with elevated rights. If a command fails, reboot and try again. Permission problems are the common cause. Ask for admin access if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.